guys, today I'm gonna show you a nice Italian minestrone soup with fresh tomatoes, my style.
Hey guys, thank you for watching my channel again. Today I'm gonna show you the soup minestrone. It's an Italian traditional soup which is in every different family they have another recipe. So also I use to show you my own recipe. What I use is fresh herbs, basil and thyme. It depends where you're from Italy. I use carrots, celery, garlic, broccoli, potatoes, tomato cream, fresh tomatoes, onion cubes. If you want to see how to cut right onion cubes, push the link on top. We need also pasta and some green fresh onions. I already chopped everything, but I will show you how to chop the carrot. It's the same way how you also chop the celery. You slice thin pieces of the carrots down, so we can have later nicely cut stripes from the carrots. And for the stripes we use also again the claw fingers. And here we go. You see how easy does it going? You don't need a fresh tomato, you also can use tomatoes in can. Those tomatoes are usually sweeter and better to use for soups or sauces. But if you use fresh tomatoes, take care guys that this product is not imported from somewhere. There is always a way to buy local vegetables. Half the tomato, slice it in nice cubes. You see how easy does it going if you have a nice sharp knife. Okay, we're done here. Let's go to the oven and cook the soup. First of all, we use not the olive oil to fry the vegetables, because olive oil is not good at a high heat. It will just burn and taste bad. So we use oil which is good for high temperature cooking. This is a raps oil. Begin with roasting the onions. Add garlic. Some more oil. Put the tomato paste in it. Be careful. Fry too long the tomato paste, it will become bitter. Now we fry all the vegetables, carrots, celery and broccoli. The potatoes you can already put in the water. I prepared already the water which is boiling, and also the herbs I put inside. Some salt. With the fresh vegetables, just let them be, give them some color. We need the roast aroma. Later it will be really delicious in the soup. Add it to the pot and again fry now the fresh green onion. Add the pasta in the soup. Some water. Add the tomatoes. And again some water. Don't worry, this soup has to be a little bit thicker. As I told you already, everyone in Italy make it different, any family, any city, any village. So don't worry if you don't have all these vegetables at home, you can use any vegetable you prefer. Add some fresh black pepper and here we go. I finished this dish with fresh Parmesan and fresh basil leaves. That's it. Thank you for watching my video.